Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll compare Devonthink and Paperless NGX to help you decide which document manager is best for 2025. Let's start with Devonthink. Devonthink is a powerful macOS-based document management tool designed for professionals who need to store, organize, and search through large volumes of documents. It excels at AI-assisted categorization, advanced search features, and managing PDFs, scanned files, and notes. Devonthink is ideal if you want an all-in-one, intelligent system for personal or business document management. On the other hand, Paperless NGX is an open-source solution focused on simplicity and automation. It's perfect for users who want a lightweight, self-hosted document management system. Paperless NGX automatically indexes documents, supports tagging, and integrates well with cloud storage. It's highly flexible for users comfortable managing their own server or workflow. Both apps are strong, but if you need AI-powered organization, advanced search, and professional-grade document handling, Devonthink is likely the better choice for 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.